In today's video, I will show you how to earn money using AdSense arbitrage in AdSterra. Let's get into the video. First of all, please subscribe to my channel. You will be provided with a file. You need to download that file and install it, and, as soon as you open it, you will see an interface like this. Here you will get a light theme. Under Live Insights, there are success visitors, total sessions, success rate, impression and clicks, system health and modules, then live activity logs, and a real-time map, and real-time session pulse, then device types, traffic sources, real-time traffic. Moving to traffic specs, here you have to enter your domain to add it, or click Fetch. As soon as you click Fetch, it will fetch it. Here is the search keyword option where you can rank any of your keywords on Google. There's AdSense revenue, you can turn these on. High CPM revenue, you can turn this on too. And 100 impression one click, you can enable that as well. All the links from my website will appear here. From here you can rank all or clear all. I am clearing all for now because I don't want to rank right now. I just want to load traffic and generate revenue for the video. So here, under Max Concurrency, Tabs, and Visitors per Minute, Pulse, you can specify how many visitors should go. This means how many traffic visitors you want to send to your website, how much traffic to load, and how many should go within a minute. You can select that. I kept it low because I am recording this video. Here you can set your preferred stay duration as well. For me, the minimum stay and maximum stay, minimum will stay 30 seconds and maximum 35, it won't exceed that. Here comes Smart Flow, which is explained here, and below that are traffic sources. There is Direct, Google Search, these are all the Google-supported search engines. Then there is social media traffic, which includes Maps, and also Google Discover. There is Fast Launch Engine, Turbo Mode, Start Traffic, and Proxy Manager. Here you can generate your proxies. Proxies will be generated within 5 seconds. I have already generated them, so I will just import the proxies I generated earlier, okay? From here, I add the proxies, my proxies are added. You will get the exact same proxies when you generate them from here, okay? And here you should check their health, click on Check Health and it will check the health. Then Remove Dead Proxies, I click on Remove Dead Proxies, but all my proxies are working so none are dead. In device profiles, you get device type, desktop, mobile, tablet, custom, everything is available. All their OS versions are also listed here, okay? Right now, let's go with mobile. Mobile iOS. Here in mixed device mode, you can set what percentage of traffic to get from where, e.g., 50% or 60% split between mobile and desktop, okay? Detailed videos are already available for this. Under behavior and scripts, you don't need to do much. If you want to turn on fast scrolling behavior, you can. If you want to save cookies, turn it on. What I have set here works best. In Scheduler, you can save your campaigns, just enter any campaign name and save it, and it will show up. You can set a schedule run here too, though I am not setting a schedule right now. Next is Settings and Reports, then you will find System Monitor, showing your CPU usage and available RAM. Here, the premium subscription is active. You will get support here under Help Support. Now, we have configured everything, and when we click to start, it asks, Display Chrome windows? On the screen, at the bottom taskbar, whether Chrome windows should display or not. If you click Cancel, it will run in the background so your work isn't disturbed. If you click Allow, it will run visibly below. Let's click Allow and head over to our dashboard. Here we are on the dashboard. On the dashboard, you will see everything running. Our total sessions will be updated here, and one impression has been counted. Here on the map, it shows where the traffic to your website is coming from. Here under Session, all sessions are active. Sorry, there is a lot of background noise, so session traffic is loading, and you can see it right here. It is currently reading the page, it looks just like a real user reading it. Now that it finished reading, it moves to the next action. It will keep scrolling like this based on what looks natural. Here, it marked success. Now let's go to our website link and here is our live analytics link. As you can check, right now we just received traffic, okay? Similarly, you can load unlimited traffic onto your site unlimited. One visitor is from Pakistan, which we opened manually above, and one is from the United States, generated by the tool. The page is still running below, working seamlessly, and the timer is visible right here. Then here under device types, since we sent mobile traffic, mobile is showing 100%. Under traffic sources, direct traffic is showing, and you can track the volume right here, okay? You can check our volume. Here, successful visitors are showing. Since I have multiple programs open on my system, it's taking a little time. You can configure the timings according to your preference. I kept the values low because I am shooting a video, and high CPU usage can cause video recording issues. When the CPU is slightly load heavy, but now it will normalize, get confirmed, and the next session will open automatically. If you want to see our AdSense results, search for Vextro Traffic Pro software on Instagram, you can check the link, or find it in the description below. There you will see all of our AdSense proof shots, okay? Make sure to give it a follow as well. Or, if you want to search on Google, you can search there too. After searching on Google, if you switch to the AI mode, it will break down full details about the software, okay? So this is the main site, as you can see, our traffic just arrived another session from the United Kingdom. Wait for the next video. Inshallah, a very cool new update is coming very soon, which will be great news for all of you. In the same way, you can earn from AdSense, Monetag, and Adstera. Thank you. And now, another next video session has started.